Hi everyone, I'm excited to share this video with you today. This is my very first unboxing video and I hope you enjoy it. Over the weekend I was out running some errands and I had to pick up something from a dollar store, and I went to one of those like privately owned dollar stores. And have you ever been to a dollar store where they have items that cost more than $1? I was at the register making my purchase, and in a corner I saw this doll. I'm like, oh, so I wanted to take a closer look, and here she is. Get the glare out there. And I thought her face sculpt was really beautiful, and I absolutely loved like the metallic shiny gold purse. So I wanted to bring her home. I got her for $10.99 and I wanted to unbox it, open it up with you guys. So here we go. So I took a photo before we got started, and as you can see across the bottom it says lovely girl style. Across the top it says beauty. You can see her awesome face and the incredible handbag and that's what really prompted me to buy the doll. So I'm assuming that the name is lovely girl style. I still haven't figured out exactly who makes this doll yet, but I'm removing it out of the box. And here it is. It's still attached to the cardboard. On the side it says lovely girl style. On the back it says Paris Fashion Week, beautiful girl. It has photos and lovely girl style again at the bottom. Underneath it has the warning, and it says that it is for ages 3 and up. So you unfold the cardboard and then remove the attachments. And the doll is finally free from the packaging. And here she is. And again, I love her face. The face sculpt is really nice. Fancy jewelry. Beautiful hair. I think she's super pretty. And a lot of dolls, like the off-brands and stuff, they have the proportions are a little off. Either the neck is really short or the features don't quite fit, but she looks really pretty and she has really nice hair. It's not a lot of product. I think it does need to be trimmed a little bit. The jewelry is pretty nice. It looks expensive, like really real jewelry instead of like the plastic that you usually see. I'm going to remove the elastic band and get a closer look at the necklace. And a closer look at this handbag. It has a nice chain strap. This little piece is attached by a stitch. The bolts right there, I think that is curling ribbon, and they just have it stitched on there, and it's actually sewn closed. There's a tiny stitch on each side, but the bag is super cute, and that's like what drew me to purchase the doll in the first place. And now let's get to her clothes. She has a nice little faux leather jacket. It's actually quite nice. You could tell that it seems like it was put together quality. And the dress is one piece and it opens with Velcro. And look, I found across her back it says Kenya's World LLC. So that may be a hint as to what type of doll this is. Is this a Kenya doll? But again, her dress is one piece and it's really cute. And the shoes are little black strappy heels. She's about 11.5 inches tall, and she has movement at the neck, the shoulders, the elbow, the wrist, the hip, and the knee. So we got nice articulation. So lastly, I'm going to grab our wire hanger dial stand, and she's all ready for display. Again, I think she's really pretty, and this is really interesting that I found it at a dollar store. Who would have thought? But we still have a little mystery. I don't know who made this dial, how I could get more, anything like that. So I went online. I tried to Google the lovely girl style. I didn't get anything. And then I also Googled Kenya's World dials. Still no luck. So we have a little mystery on our hands, and I would love your help in figuring it out. So if you have any information or where we could find this dial online or anything like that, please let me know in the comments, and just let me know overall what you think about this dial and this video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I always love to hear from you, and thank you so much for sending me photos. I've been getting photos on Facebook, and I've been getting tagged on Instagram. So for leaving a comment on our last video, I'm going to officially welcome Cooper It One to the red carpet. Thanks so much. Again, I love hearing from you, and remember, it's more fun to make it. I'll see you at the next video.